Look at the Mustang.
Back all together and Ford Racing, which Ford Performance used to do their
Ooh, the
builds. That
Whipple.
was like $4,600.
Just keep bouncing like the 10.5 to him.
Well, yeah, that's
Don't push it anymore.
well. That's why I tell him I'm like the only time I'm gonna run those other two is if I have straight 100 octane.
I spent 4 days just
I'm not relying on
measuring bearings because it was like, how to get it right.
I go, oh, yeah, maybe some leftover from the first and I had 87.
Where did you get this dyno at?
Was that at Jensen's in like right outside Nescapec?
Nestpec? That's right. I gotta take mine, see what it got.
I went to high school with him.
I'll try to get both. There we go.
Yeah, we've known each other since 1980.
Who is it, his nephew or somebody, or his cousins? Cousins of Jones?
Is this the Hellcat?
Here's some good things and here's
Yeah.
some not so good things, you know? Like any other.
You can't tell?
I thought so.
Yeah.
Right.
Beautiful car.
Saving it for a long time.
Beautiful car, man. See, I'm a Mustang fan. I got the Fox body. Thank you. It needs a lot of work yet, paint job and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, it does.
I'm surprised I even see the, like an 08 had one now.
Yeah.
In Larchville?
Yeah, I bought that, what, about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
I love it though. You know, it keeps it so much cooler.
Did it have the,
I got it for
lid
the,
scoop?
yeah, for, no, it had Cervini, or Cervinus. It's the Cervinus brand.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it came with the scoops are open on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It wasn't bad though, because it got the 302 boarded to be a 306, and then I got the Eldebrock Performer heads, the E303 cam in it, and then I went with the Explorer upper and lower intake on it.
Yeah, I have a Thunderbird, it looks like that. I have a turbo coupe.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
it's
nice.
exactly like that.
Yeah, I like them. They're nice too. Thanks.
88. You know, they're a Motor Trend car of the year, you know?
Yeah, they're gorgeous. They're comfortable too.
Oh my God, it's like an airplane. Sometimes I think I'm flying whenever I'm driving that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're coming.
Look at this. That is mint.
No, I don't have it on. 56. That was just a spur of the moment view.
Damn.
She said, let's have a reunion.
Beautiful.
Oh, you know what? Seriously?
Beautiful car.
Cute dog, but I don't want to. She's making a pain in the ass out of herself. She's looking at too much now. About 10 years. You better. He's like, you want to get
Yeah, look
She's
at
like,
it.
Dad, there's a Ferrari right there.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
It is.
Look at it.
Thank you, sir.
Look at that. This is beautiful.
My dad had one of these.
That is beautiful. That is a classic.
My dad had one of them. Yeah. You want to see that one with the hood on it, right?
Look at that.
That thing bites, dude. That's a Nova, right? The blue one?
What one? No, it is a Chevelle.
The Chevelle?
Yeah. With the 427 big block in
This
it.
thing.
It's
Oh
beautiful.
my God.
This thing is immaculate. Did you see what Buddy doing? He had velvet in it.
Beautiful car. Oh, that is nice. That is beautiful work.
This is.
It's mint. I love it.
Is it velvet?
That Trans Am.
What are you sneaking around for, mister?
And she's looking inside of it, right?
Is that the intake? That
Oh,
goes
it's
to
a
the
hole
intake,
right to it.
What, baby?
All right, now we get the hood for you. Like the hood brake. Always for the back. And, but you know, Checker Cab, it comes to find out, modeled itself after that body style. You see him here and there. Here and there you'll see.
Look at that. 200 miles an hour. ZL7. Mint. Then the GT.
The Chevy shoebox style, there's a style stole from Ford.
Beautiful cars.
51, 52. They were the first to come out with a shoebox.
Beautiful. That is cool.
It's my driving partner.
You can't beat that. It's beautiful though. I love it. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
What year is that? An 89?
90.
90. I had an 89 just like it.
Convertible?
No, that's what I wanted so bad. Mine was the T-top. Yeah. I know. I wanted one though because I had the T-top. And I had the 89 and my buddy actually had the convertible. And the same color. I was trying to trade him. He didn't want to trade at the time.